In the pursuit of clinical excellence, your equipment should provide maximum strength with ergonomic design in mind. Engineered from high-strength phenolic compounds, the Phenolic Universal Arm Board by Phillips Safety delivers a superior strength-to-weight ratio. Its ultra-slim profile provides rigid stability while remaining light enough for effortless one-handed handling. Designed for tables without side rails, it offers a 36-inch length for stability. The sleek 6-inch wide design slides smoothly under the pad, integrating into your workflow with zero friction. This board works by utilizing the patient's own weight to lock the extension into place and eliminate the possibility of slipping. It's radiotranslucent and artifact-free, capturing clear images as the C-arm rotates freely around the extended device. Lightweight, easy to handle. The Phenolic Universal Arm Board by Phillips Safety is a product you can trust.